Hi, guys. I want to tell you about this exciting health and wellness festival called the Serenity Festival. It's taking place at Klitsgras Drumming in October 2024. It's on the weekend of the 26th and 27th of October. So, to talk a little bit about this festival, I'm joined by Selaelo. Selaelo, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
So, Selaelo, this festival is quite a unique festival. Tell me what do you think excites you about this festival?
Sure, magic. As you can see, I'm all magical. I think magic is the top one, in a sense that the concept of Serenity Festival alone is just something that I think everybody needs in their life. What excites me mostly, or the underlying factors around the festival, is the self discovery and the self care. Because in the mental health life that we live in right now, I feel everybody needs it. Even us, even everybody, light workers, coaches, mentors, healers, the whole world needs this. So I'm quite excited, and I wish that everybody would just turn up, you know.
Yeah, I'm really excited that Klitsgras is hosting this event, and Hive Mind have put all the effort into to put it together because, like you said, there's actually so much for people to experience, and it's stuff people really need: natural remedies, mental health, wellness, looking after yourself, just understanding your body and your emotions a lot better. There's so much really to unpack, and like you said, it's what people really need. That's what excites me. It's like we're giving people what is necessary right now because there's a lot of challenges, right? People are struggling from COVID. They're still struggling financially now. The economy is bad. There's more mental health issues. So hopefully people can come to experience the wonderful offerings. So talking about the offerings, you're actually doing a workshop at the Serenity Festival. Maybe you can tell us a bit more about that.
Oh, yes, I am. I am, and I urge everybody to come to my workshop because I'm going to be teaching relaxation movements and techniques. Just normal techniques that you can use in your daily lives to try and find balance within this chaotic moment. So, my workshop is actually, I call it Heal and Connect because it's through relaxation movements, you get to heal and connect deeply to yourself. So, I want to teach people how to love themselves. So, self love is what I'm going to be teaching.
Amazing. I like the sound of that workshop. So who's going to benefit from this workshop, or who's this workshop ideally designed for?
Oh, everyone that's able to attend. Um, I'm a very firm believer that even as a coach or a healer, I still believe that as coaches, as healers, we need to be coachable. So it means that even I would be able to, and even I would attend a class like this. So I'm urging everybody to come and attend my class, to come and find themselves, to come and connect with that deeper part of themselves, which I call self love. And I think everybody has that point in themselves. It's just about um, taking you there. As the festival says, that it's a self discovery. So you'll find that with each workshop, it will take you somewhere within yourself.
Yeah, that's beautiful. So besides self-love and relaxation, what other benefits do you think people will get out of this workshop?
Well, I'd say calmness and inviting stillness in your life. And, just in every workshop that we do, or in every rituals that we do, we take something home. So I'm hoping people will be able to take something within that 1 hour workshop, which will be from 11 to 12 on the 26th of October. I'm hoping that people will take a ritual somewhere within what I teach. And I'm hoping that they will take something that gets them to be calm, to invite calmness into your life, and just learn how to meditate and breathe. Because sometimes meditation sounds like a very fancy word, but actually it's a breathing exercises that you can use as a coping mechanism throughout your life.
Yes, I like the sound of ritual. So when you spoke about ritual, I have a morning ritual that I practice for a long time. So I wake up, I do a journaling for maybe 30 minutes. Not maybe 30 minutes, it's exactly 30 minutes. It's called conscious connected writing. Then I do a meditation for 30 minutes, conscious connected breathing. Then I do some yoga for 30, 40 minutes. And then I do another meditation. So this has become my ritual every morning. And the power of this ritual is really amazing. Like what is just brought to my life is not like my life is easy now. It's just that I'm much more chilled with all the issues. I would say it's actually even more hectic now, but I'm more chilled now because the ritual just helps me every morning just ground and connect to myself, just be in the present, don't get overwhelmed. I think it also teaches me like there might be so much going on, but you can only focus on right now. So what do I need to do right now? And just do that. And then when the next moment comes, do the next thing you have to do. So don't get overwhelmed about so many things. It really brings you to the present. And I think the power of ritual is quite amazing. So I like that you mentioned people can learn something that they can implement and use as a daily ritual in their lives.
Yeah, they can help their brain slow down and do one thing at a time.
Yes. So, besides your wonderful workshop, what do you think is the reason people should attend the Serenity Festival in general?
I think okay, my line is magic because I'm a magical woman and I really believe in magic. I believe that within the Serenity Festival, um, people should come because that's where you get to connect with like-minded people. It's more like building a community. It's like finding your tribe because the word self-love by itself or self-care or self-discovery sounds simple, but it's actually a journey towards yourself. So I believe with people coming to the Serenity Festival, they would be able to find what connects deeper with them through all the workshops that will be given on that day. And over and above, where the Serenity Festival will be held at the Klitsgras. Klitsgras is by itself a healing space because for me, I feel it has carried my journey a lot. As you know, they do drumming. So come, come and enjoy, come and experience the depths of yourself, how far you can go with yourself in a very serene environment.
So, I really like what you said about self discovery because I think a lot of people are walking around not knowing who they really are, but pretending to be someone else. So in my case, I studied, went to university, I went into corporate, and I thought that was me, working in corporate, climbing the ladder, um, being the financial CEO, etc. But in my journey of self-discovery, and I went on a journey of self-discovery, spirituality, meditation, yoga, all that stuff. And I realized I actually didn't like that. I didn't like the corporate world and what it meant and just making money and all of that. So I had to go on a self-discovery journey of myself. And now I find that I prefer energy medicine, um, all these ancient things like yoga and meditation, and there's so many natural techniques out there. um, I found that I like poetry and started writing poetry. I started doing podcasts like I'm doing now, and all these things that's actually more aligned with my true self. I'm much more happier, relaxed, and I think that's what self-discovery means, isn't it? Is like people have forgotten who they are. They're doing something that doesn't align with their soul and their higher self, and they're completely lost. They need to find themselves. That's what you're talking about.
Yeah, they don't know what they don't know. And sometimes taking yourself to a journey like this, like the Serenity Festival, or taking yourself to a festival like this, opens you up to what can follow next. You know, it sort of helps you open up in a serene environment, in a healing space, in a comfort space, in a community space. So it almost feels like you're holding hands with someone else that can help you through the journey. So yeah, self-discovery is the best journey to go on to, and everybody should go on a self-discovery journey.
Because you are the best person that you want to meet. So don't go your whole life not meeting yourself, right?
Yep. So that's the same concept I teach with self-love, because self-love is the first love. If you think about it, you can't give what you don't have. So you can't love someone else if you haven't loved yourself, if you don't know how to love yourself. So I want to urge people to come through and experience another part of themselves that they never thought could be alive. So yeah, I have a lot to say when it comes to self-care, self-love, self-discovery, because that is just the best way to go about embarking your journey, magical journey.
So there you have it, guys. Serenity Festival. You will learn to care for yourself, love yourself, and discover yourself. Now that is true magic. So we look forward to seeing you all there. Selaelo, thank you again for your time. We'll chat soon again.